Okay. In this question, it is stated that find a least number. Find a least number which must be subtracted from this that it becomes a perfect square. It is just like if you are asked find a least number, find a least number which must be subtracted from, let this is 17, uh, which may to get a perfect square. So 17. So how will you do? You have to do just this by for 4s are 16. So this is 1. So if we subtract this one from that, so you will get a number and that will be a perfect square. Okay, mean that is the square of 4. So this question is just like that. Find the square root of this. At the end, you will get a number and subtract that number. Okay, got it? Should I start the question now?
Yes, sir.
Okay. 10908. 10908. Yes. What should be subtracted from it to get it a perfect square? So for that, we are just finding the square root. So you know square root pair, one pair, and here we have to do now 1. So 1 ones are 1, subtracting 1, we are getting nothing. So bring this 09 down. So and double this 1. When you double this, you are getting 2. So if you are taking here number, so this becomes around about 20 or above the 20, not less than. So it will be 21, 22, 23 or anything like that. So you have to put a number here. So this becomes 20 or more than 20. So for that, and here we have only 9. So we cannot divide it. So now bring this 08 down again. So this becomes 0908. And when you bring down the 2 pairs, so you have to put 0 over there. And you know its double will be 20 now. Okay, double of this is 20 now. So what table should we use? If I take 4, so 4 2s are 8 and there is 9, so I think it is valid. So if I take 4 over there and 4 there, so 4 4s are what? 4 4s are 16. So 1 carry, then 4 zeros are 0. The 0 and 1 will be what? 1. Okay, and for 2s are 8. Now subtract this one. By subtracting this, we are getting only 2. And here is 0. From 0 we cannot subtract 1. So for this carry 1 from here over there, this becomes 10. 10 minus 1 is 9. And here you see there was 9, 1 carries, that becomes 8. So 8 minus 8 is 0. Okay, so this is the remainder. This is less than that. So this number will be our answer. 92 is your answer. Just find a least number which must be subtracted. So your answer is 92 must be subtracted from it to get a perfect square. Okay, so what is your answer? 92
Okay.
is your answer.
92.
Yes, sir. Good. Take its a
सर ये
screenshot.
अननोन डाउन कौन है?
होगा कोई जोड़े
ओके
अटेंडेंस के लिए अपना अपना नाम यूज किया करें, किसी और का नहीं. अननोन डाउन जो भी है, जरा अपना नाम लिख के क्या अटेंडेंस में, फिर आपको प्रॉब्लम ना हो. ओके, नाउ मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन. Let me clear this one. So by clearing this, if you want to take screenshot, you can. Okay, that is done. Now move to the next question. And the next question is,
सर ये
Yes.
कौन सा एक्सरसाइज है?
आपको पता भी नहीं है, जरा कोई बता दे इसे। Okay, now we have to do this question. That was question number 4. That we have done this one. And the question number 5. Let's do the question number 5. The area of a square park is this one. Find the length of its side. Do you know square in figures, shapes? Anybody knows? What do you mean by square? By square we mean a four-sided closed figure with each side with equal side. Each and every sides are equal. So that is known as square. Anybody knows the formula for finding the area of a square? Anybody? The area of a square. By area we mean, take this one, a square. And we are interested to find its area. So what's the formula of area? Suppose each of its side is 3. Let each side is 3. This one is 3.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. If each and every side of a closed four-sided closed figure is 3, that is known as a square. Can you find the area of a square? Anybody knows? By square we mean there is 3. This is 3. Here you see 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. So here you see 1, 2, 3. There are 3 in 3 meter, 3 centimeter, or anything, but it should be 3. There is also 3. So by square we mean how many one, let this is centimeter. So how many 1 centimeter square will be there inside this closed figure? So for that, just try multiply these two. What you will get? 9. So it means 9. This is in centimeters. So your answer will be 9 centimeter square. So what does it mean? It means 3 here. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. And just draw these. Join these. So you see how many squares are there in the whole figure? Each and every one is a square.
9.
Yes.
9.
So its area mean how many 1 centimeter square we have. So you see 1 centimeter square is there, 1 centimeter square there, 1 centimeter square there, and so on. So they are 9. So if suppose you are given the not the length of the sides, you are given just the area. Suppose you are given area is 16. So each and every side will be how much?
16. Still.
No, area is just like in the previous
4
question.
4s are 16.
Yes, in the previous question we took a 9, so 9 is 3 3s are. So it means each and every side is 3. Here, 16. So what words are 16?
4 4s are.
For 4s are 16. So it means
4s are.
you mean each and every side is 4. Okay. So when you are given and you are interested to find each side, so what will you do? We have to do just a square root, you know, for 4s are 16. So this 4 is your answer. For finding the length of one side from a square, so from the area of a
No,
square,
sir.
so what will you
Sir,
do?
but how would we know that we will do it by as guess because the length is not given at first we wrote 9 then 16.
No, it's I have given a specific example. If you are given here, okay, suppose you are given here 100, area is 100. Suppose area is 100, so each side will be how much? Suppose area is 100, so each side will be how much? Just like for 4s are 16, 3 3s are 9. So what words are is 100?
10 10s are.
And 10s are, yes, your answer will be 10. But how will you find that for because here it is not easy to check what words are is 1225. So it's a big task, a complicated task. So for that, we just take the number 1225 and find the square root. So you know here and here, what should we do for 12?
First to 6 are 12.
No, in the square
No,
root.
in square root.
In square root, we deal with 1 1s are 2 2s are 3 3s are 4 4 5 5 6 6.
Yes, yes.
So what should we
One,
do?
one.
In square root,
How will-
in square root, there is pairs. You know, for pairs, you have to first deal with this 12. So you know 3 3s are 9. For 4s are then increases. It will give you only 3. Bring these two down. Now this 3 will become 6 over there. So what table should I use to get this one?
6.
6 6 are 36, but here we have
5.
5. Yes. So in the table of 5, we can find. So 5 5s are 25. Okay. Let me clear this line. Okay, it is done. 5 5s are 25. 5 carry 2 is carried. So no, 5 5s are done. 5 6 are what? 5 6 are 30, and this carry 2 will be 32. Okay, so it is done. Your answer is length of its side. Length,
It's 35.
yes, of its each side is 35. Got it? When you are given square and you are finding the one side, so just take the square root. Okay. It is done. Now moving to the next question. I think the next question is very similar to this one. Question number 6. The area of
Sir,
yes. Yes. Hello?
عايز فوتوشوب انا في المسج لقلم الشات لو عايز مونة كون دي كلا Sir,
Yes.
sir,
Yes.
सर अली सिंह सर अली कह रहे हैं कि मैं क्लास नहीं ले सकता,
क्यों?
मेरे वाईफाई में प्रॉब्लम है।
ओके खैर, आखिर में मुझे उसका अटेंडेंस याद दिलाएं तो वो मैं
पता नहीं।
आखिर में
सर मैं
attendance-
कॉल
तो क्लास में
सही
है।
हो गया है।
अली तो
खैर
है
है,
क्लास में।
खैर है। अभी याद रखिए कि कौन कौन ऑनलाइन है। तो
वो
चलो अभी मैं आप लोगों का ये अटेंडेंस लिख लेता हूँ, बाद में अगर किसी का प्रॉब्लम हुआ तो खैर है।
ओके सर।
ओके let me share the screen with you, and you have to check your attendance over there. So that is check your attendance. Hamad is there, Ikrash is there, Abdul Rahman is there, Abu Bakr, Ali Haider, Atif, Behroz, Moizuddin, Rehan, Rizwan, Zain Akbar, Bilawal, and Muhammad Huzaifa. कोई रह गया? All are there.
yes.
Okay. Let me, you are 7B. 7B. Today is 4/06. Okay, your attendance is done. Okay, अब don't worry कि किसी का attendance रह गया या कोई बात ही तो ये अब नहीं होगा. Okay, now moving to the next question. In this question, the area of a square field is this one, 9,216. Can you find each side?
No.
A square
Sir,
field
wait.
is there, and the total area square field is given. Total area is 9,216 square meter, means meter
Sir,
square.
what is 2 9?
What is?
What is this number 99216?
This is the area of a square field. A field is
Okay.
there. A field is there, and it is square, and the total area is 9,216. When the area is given, can you find its each side? Can you find it?
Sir,
Just like in the previous question, we have done that. When the area was given 1225, so what you did?
square root find.
Yes, square root 9,216. Just find its square root.
But sir, over here they told us find the perimeter.
ये तो बाद में अभी मैं बता दूंगा. I will tell this later, but first let me find each side. Then I will discuss what is perimeter and how will we find it. So the first task is to find each side. Okay, you are given this one.
3 3s are 9.
No,
But if it
in
is-
pairs, 2, 2.
Okay.
So should we do it by for 4s are 5, 5, 6, 6, 7, 7, 8, 8, 9, 9, 10, 10, 11, 11, 12, 12.
Sir,
So what should I use?
sir,
Yes,
2,304.
2,200. What?
300.
What?
Answer.
Okay, no, I'm just finding the square root of this number. So first make the
Sir,
pair.
wait.
Yes, should I use 2 2s or 4 4 5 5 6 6 10 10 11 11 12? Double. So there will be 8. So what table should I use here?
8 8s are 16.
1 minute. 8 8s are 16. 8 8s are 64.
Now 4 4s are 16.
4 4s are 16. 4 8s are 32. 4 1s are no. It's we can take a bigger number as well. We cannot do it by 7. Just check it by
3 3s are
checking by 6. So you know 6 6 are 36. 6 is there. 3 is carried. No, 6 8s are 6 8s are 48. 48 and the 3. So this becomes 51. So 5 is
sir.
carried. Yes.
So 3 minutes are left.
Okay. I have done it. 6 6 are 36. 36 is there. 3 is
Yes, sir,
carried.
now do it. 6
Yes.
1s are 6.
6
And
yards are
5,
6 yards are
7, 8, 9,
48.
10, 11, 11. Sir,
48.
it comes the answer.
51. 5 is there. So
6 1s are 6 and then 5 with 6 11.
yes, this is for 6 1s are 6 and 5 is 11. Yes, that is done. So each side,
Is 96.
yes, each side
So now we will find the perimeter.
96 meter. Yes, sir. So okay, the 96 is not very clear. 96 meter. Okay, this is done. Here the term perimeter is used. What is mean by perimeter? Perimeter means if you start from this point and move along the path and reach here. So how much distance will you cover? This is known as the perimeter. Okay, if you are having a laptop of
It
this,
comes 300 and
wait a minute.
No.
Wait a minute. If you are having a book, for example, you are having this book and you are finding its area, not area, you are finding the perimeter. So from the perimeter, you just take a thread, एक धागा लेके यहाँ से यहाँ तक, फिर यहाँ तक, फिर यहाँ तक, total कितना length हो गया? This is known as perimeter. Okay.
Yes, Happy birthday, sir.
Okay, sir.
Okay, if there is F and the perimeter formula is also there, how will you find perimeter? Perimeter is equals to 4 into sides.
96 by 4. 96 multiplied.
4 multiply 96. So what will you get?
क्लास तो ओवर हो गई अब तो
For 6
अभी
are,
काम कर रहे हैं ना
for 6 are 24, for 9 are 36, and this becomes 38 meter.
Sir, 384.
बिल्कुल.
क्लास ओवर हो गई सर
Yes, I think it's enough. Take the screenshot.
Hamad गलत था.